Colamania, we have Naz Tavares.
Hello, nabanggit mo nga kanina na may mga throwbacks kang nakikita online. Katulad ng yung Diyosa nga. And 21 years na ang Kampanerang Kuba. Yes, di ba? So, looking back, ano yung parang project na sa tingin mo nag-determine or tumulong sa talaga kung nasaan ka ngayon?
Lahat. Lahat talaga. Whether it's Magic Kingdom, whether it's TGIS, or ano pa ba. Siyempre, Kampanerang Kuba was my first title role. And then after that, Diyosa. And then, maging sino ka man pa ako, tapos No Other Woman. So talagang lahat, everything played a role. And I feel na even yung timing ng bawat isa happened at the right time. Hindi siya sunod-sunod. Parang everything was a slow climb. But I feel that's why I also super appreciate kung nasaan ako. Kasi pinaghirapan talaga sa 29 years na yun.
Yes, and sa 29 years, meron ka pang mga hindi nakakatrabaho. So, sino pa yung mga hindi mo pa nakakatrabaho na gusto mo makatrabaho?
Sino ba yung si Papa P, hindi ko pa nakakatrabaho. Sino pa ba yung hindi ko pa nakakatrabaho? Sa mga actresses naman, parang lahat naka-work ko na. Si Angelica, si Bea. Sino pa ba mga actresses? Maybe si Marian. Kasi naka-work ko na si Don. Baka si Marian, hindi ko pa naka-work. Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you!
Okay, ngayon naman from Pika Pika, we have Adam Lorena.
Hi po, Miss Anne. Congratulations po sa lahat po ng na-achieve mo this year.
Thank you.
Ang tanong ko lang po, with these achievements, how do you usually celebrate big wins? Like, work ko ba agad or you, like, relax agad?
Parang, alam mo, nag-shopping. Siguro ngayon, like, I plan to have a big party pag natapos yung bypass. Party talaga. Kasi, pinaghirapan talaga namin lahat yun. We all deserve to celebrate. Yeah. And I think it's so important also that you celebrate those wins, big or small, because it's an achievement. Pinaghirapan mo yan, celebrate.
Last question po, do you have any advice for aspiring actors na gusto magkaroon ng long-lasting career? Like,
Huwag magmadali. I know it's hard because syempre with social media, it's so easy to gain fame, right? Siguro, huwag kayong magmadali. Take the time to appreciate it because if there's anything that I've learned in this industry, as fast as you get up there, it's so easy to fall just as fast. So, take your time, take it all in, and be patient. Yeah.
thank you po.
Thank you.
Great advice. Maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman, from Random Republica, we have Kate at the heart.
Hi, and congratulations. We know you last year, you entered a new era in your life, yung 40s, and you seem to embrace it wholeheartedly. What do you enjoy the most, and what do you find most challenging at this stage?
Siguro yung challenging, yung puyat, iba na talaga. Iba na yung puyat, iba na yung bangon pag puyat ka. But other than that, it's just a number. Everything else, like, nothing has changed other than that. Other than yung pagod, iba. Iba yung pagod. Pero wala. Yeah.
And what can you say na si Dahlia is showing promise as a future recording artist?
Oh! Pinag-pray ko yun nung buntis ako talaga. Sabi ko, Lord, sana maging maganda boses niya. And she loves to sing. You know, if that's something she decides to pursue, I will super nurture that. Pero kailangan niyang aral ng tama.
So far, nagpadala.
Nag-aaral na siya, nagpa-voice lessons na po siya. Yes. But I mean, like, seriously? Kasi nung nag-New York kami, we were able to watch like Wicked, tsaka The Lion King. And she seemed very interested. So parang, if that's something she wants to pursue when she's older, okay, I will support that. Hindi ko siya pagbabawalan. Hello, this is the career that, it's, di ba? It's my bread and butter. So, ba't ko siya sasabihin, hindi yan mag-artista? No. But nurture it. Aralin niya. It's something I never got to do, yung serious, like, classes, go to school. It's something I would encourage for her.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat. And let's hear from Lionheart TV, Richard Paglikawan.
Hi, good afternoon. Good evening pa. Congratulations on 29 years. So, ang busy yun ng first half mo ng 2026 and for you, tapos may mga announcement pa kanina ng mga gagawin mo. So, pinlano mo ba yung 2026 to be this path? And paano mo nire-ready yung sarili mo para ma-fulfill syempre yung mga projects na planong gawin at tapusin?
I didn't expect 2026 to be like this, actually. But I'm grateful for everything that's coming my way. Paano tayo mag-prepare? Again, time management na lang. Kaya-kaya yan. But I'm very excited for this year, actually. Very, very excited.
And, nagpa-bucket list ka ba? May mga...
Meron naman talaga. Meron, lalo na personal for my family.
may mga pwede ka ba ma-share na bucket list?
It's more like travel stuff that I'd like to do as a family. Mga ganun.
Ito na lang, for your 29 years, nung nag-start ka ba, may isang bagay or parang isang pangyayari sa buhay mo na hanggang ngayon dala-dala mo na pwede mo ma-share sa amin?
Ano ba yun?
Nung nag-start ka as a young Ann Curtis, may pwede ka ba ma-share sa amin na pangyayari during your start sa showbiz na hanggang ngayon hindi mo makalimutan? In your 29 years.
Ano ba hindi ko makalimutan? Siyempre, winning my first Best Actress Award was major for me, for Baler. That was definitely a super highlight para sa akin. Pero yung pinaka-traumatic siguro din yung yung Viva, parang trade show. And then, may bukas pa yung show namin with Miss Sherry Hill, Angelo De Leon, Christina Boniface, yata yun, and Kim De Los Santos. So parang, isa yung lights bubukas, tapos bi-spill kami. Pag on ng lights, spotlight sa akin, nakalimutan ko lahat ng linya ko. So sinabi ko na lang, may bukas pa, may bukas pa. May bukas pa. Tapos umiyak na, pinatayin na ako so that was something like core memory, hindi ko siya makalimutan. I was probably like 16. So yun.
Sige, mahanap na yan.
I know, right? Trade show yun for 13, channel 13 yata.
Thank you, Ann.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Ngayon naman from Rider PH, we have Jojo Panaligan.
Sige. Ayan. Big ngayon ng theater, may bala ka bang sumubok?
I would love to. If given the time to really hone it and pag-aralan, I would love to. Lalo na kung music. Music talaga!